Hi, wherever you are. It's Teresa Knorr here from Balance Recovery Consultation and Tai Chi for Recovery. And I'm in my happy place. And it's morning and the sun rose and I found a quiet little place to do some Tai Chi for Recovery, and I wanted to bring you all along with me. So I'm just going to walk you through the Serenity Prayer form. I hope that you've stretched, you know how to stand, you know how to breathe. Let's just do it. Drop into that posture. Breathe in. Breathe out. God grant me strength to accept the things I cannot change. Courage to change the things I can.